Marshall and welcome to my bathroom. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Gabbana striped peel and stick contact paper on my bathroom walls. I can tell you now it is very simple and easy and even forgiving to use. I'm sure many of you are looking for inspiration, but I also want to make this a tutorial. I decided to paint the edge of the shower for full coverage, otherwise the brown paint would show right on the edge. But the real reason I use this contact paper is to hide these lumps and bumps. I truly hate them, and this is why I decided to go with contact paper. To begin, you'll want to remove all of your belongings off of the wall, including nails and switch plates. For items that cannot be easily removed, you'll just have to go around them. For the contact paper, I want to encourage you to find a spot that will help guide you to create a straight line. I'm using the edge of my shower to help lay the first piece, and by doing so, it made applying the rest a whole lot easier. But because this video is sped up, I want you to know that it did take me a little longer than what you see on camera to actually get them straight. But it's just getting it slightly straight. It's not, super hard to generally straighten it up. It's just as you lay it down, the longer and further it goes, it tends to overlap the other paper, and that may create an uneven line. So just keep that in mind, be patient, and just know this is a process. If you happen to have any questions about my techniques, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And as I said earlier in this video, this contact paper is super easy to smooth out with your hands. I mean, it's that simple. It's extremely forgiving. You don't have to pop too many bubbles or anything like that, because once you make a mistake, you can easily pull it right off the wall and put it back on. And furthermore, the texture of this contact paper is amazing, guys. Let me tell you, though it is inexpensive, it feels very nice. If you're interested in purchasing this contact paper, you can find it down below in the comment section and also in my bio. As an Amazon associate, I do earn from qualifying purchases, but nevertheless, this contact paper turned my bathroom around. This was the facelift that it needed. Now, if you're worrying about matching patterns, you'll want to plan ahead. Never start a job without actually measuring and planning ahead, because the less that you have to cut, the better the job will look. But if you make a mistake and have to overlay the contact paper, it does blend in very well, so it won't be as noticeable as you think it does. Also, if you want cleaner lines without the hassle, you can tuck the contact paper behind areas that are not mobile. I found a small gap right beside my vanity, and I used that to tuck the edge. I was also able to hide some behind this vent cover. I also had to do a little reinforcing around this vent area because of the temperature change and the bumpy wall. They just did not work well together in this particular situation. So because this is a rental friendly project, I just used a bit of tape to tape particular areas that were trying to unravel on me. You could opt for matte tape if necessary, but all I had was the shiny kind. But standing from the floor, you wouldn't notice. No one would ever know. Even as this voiceover is a few days later, I can still tell you that my contact paper and the tape are holding up nice and strong. At the last minute, I decided to paint behind my toilet white. This is why I tell you guys to plan ahead. You'll just run into less mistakes and know exactly what you're doing. But even if that's the case, it's okay to improvise. Behind the toilet was the only place that was not covered, but with the help of some painter's tape, I was able to make the space look intentional. And now it's time to put everything back up that we've taken down. This is the fun part. All of that hard work pays off, and it is very rewarding. guys enjoyed this video, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. If you love this contact paper, you can also find the link in my bio and the comment section. And be sure to stay tuned for my next video, which is decorating the bathroom. I am super excited to begin that process. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you won't miss that next decorating video. I look forward to seeing you guys again. Have a good one.